In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar with HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This simple integration can help streamline your scheduling process, allowing you to manage your meetings and appointments more efficiently. Let's dive right in to get you set up quickly and easily. First, you'll want to ensure you have access to both a HubSpot account and your Google Calendar. If you haven't already signed up for HubSpot, now would be the time to do it. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your HubSpot login credentials. If you're new, there's also an option to sign up, which you might want to explore if you haven't yet created an account. Once you're logged into HubSpot, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all of your HubSpot activities. From here, you'll be able to link your Google Calendar seamlessly. An important step now is locating the marketplace icon, which is often displayed in the navigation bar or hidden within a drop-down menu labeled with terms like apps or marketplace. This is where you'll find the necessary tools and applications for integration. Next, click on the marketplace icon and then select apps from the options that appear. This section is specifically designated for all kinds of integrations that HubSpot supports, including Google Calendar. It's worth mentioning that HubSpot frequently updates these options, so you might see new tools and integrations in the marketplace on a regular basis. In the apps section, look for the Google Calendar app. You can either scroll through the list or type Google Calendar in the search bar to speed up your search. When you find it, click on the app to proceed with the installation process. A new page dedicated to the Google Calendar details will open, where you'll find an overview of the features and capabilities of the integration. When you're ready to install, click on the Install App button. Here, follow the authentication process, allowing HubSpot to access your Google Calendar. Be sure to grant all the necessary permissions. They are essential for syncing your calendar events with HubSpot, enabling a smooth and functional integration. Once the app is installed and permissions are set, HubSpot will begin syncing with your Google Calendar, allowing you to view, manage, and create appointments within HubSpot directly linked to your Google Calendar. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now connected to HubSpot. This integration not only helps streamline scheduling, but also ensures you never miss an important appointment or meeting. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more efficient tips.